Imagine a revolutionary new superdrug that makes any old face drop dead gorgeous. And everybody wants it. A big pharma billionaire with serious assets. 2 agents undercover and between the sheets. A one-eyed wonder who survived a dirty dose.
Ta-da!
A psycho incel with a thirst for kink. And a fevered bombshell ready to explode. One shot makes you hot.
Un seul coup et t'es chaud. T'oserais.
FX's The Beauty. Premieres January 21st on FX, Hulu, and Hulu on Disney Plus for bundle subscribers.